My name is Nur Aliyah Afizah.
My name is Rabiatul.
My name is Lakshman.
My name is Casper. And my name is Lakshman.
So today we're going to disassemble and assemble a PC unit, right guys?
Yeah.
So let us start!
First, we start by removing the cover.
Then, detach all the cable.
Thirdly, we need to remove all the drives.
That we remove the memory module.
Now we are going to remove the power supply.
Then, remove the motherboard.
We have now successfully disassembled the CPU, and you can see the motherboard now. And not only that, we managed to detach other hardware such as the power supply, the drives, DVD player, memory module, and not only that, we have successfully removed the cooling fan. And make sure that you don't lose any of the screws.
First off, we're going to fix the motherboard into the tower case.
Next, we need to connect the power supply.
Now for the step 3, we're going to install the drives and internal cards at the same time.
Then, connect all the cable.
The next step, we mount the memory module.
And lastly, we're going to cover the tower.